Hey there, option traders. Today, I'm diving into 5 essential tips every option trader needs to know. These tips can be the difference between success and failure in the volatile world of options trading. So, let's get started. First up, never trade non-liquid stock options. Liquid stocks are those that are frequently traded, making them easier to buy and sell quickly. Non-liquid stocks, on the other hand, are thinly traded and come with wider bid-ask spreads, making them difficult to square off. Trading non-liquid stock options is even riskier because options have a limited time frame. Always check the bid-ask spreads of the option chain before you start trading. Next, stay away from the lure of buying out-of-the-money options. I know these options are cheaper and might seem like a quick way to get rich, but there's a catch. Out-of-the-money options need the stock to move significantly to become profitable. The chances of this happening are pretty slim. Instead, focus on at-the-money or in-the-money options for more reliable returns. Third, when to exit is the most important decision you'll make. While we spend a lot of time planning our entries, exits are often overlooked. Remember, options have expiration dates, and the time value decreases as time passes. Exiting before significant time decay can lock in profits or minimize losses. Also, watch out for market volatility. If it moves against you, exit swiftly to prevent further losses. If it's in your favor, secure your profits before the market turns. Moving on, having a single strategy for all seasons is a common pitfall. The market is dynamic with constantly changing conditions. Sticking rigidly to one strategy, regardless of market conditions, can lead to disaster. Be adaptable and flexible. Continuously monitor and adjust your strategies based on market shifts. This will help you capitalize on opportunities and minimize risks. Last but not least, avoid the temptation to increase your account size substantially after a winning streak. It's natural to feel invincible after a series of wins, but doubling down can lead to substantial losses. Larger positions magnify the impact of any downturn, and the emotional toll can be significant. Stick to your risk management principles and avoid over-aggressive decision-making. In conclusion, these are the crucial points every option trader should be aware of. Keeping a blind eye to these factors can seriously hamper your performance. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Stay tuned and stay informed.